Alright, so it's Tuesday. I didn't really get the chance to vlog much last night just because I was doing a lot of studying. For anyone who doesn't know, I'm coached by Joey Flex, who is also the same coach as Russwole. You guys all know him. And a while back, I sold Russ a pair of Jordan 5 alternate Bel Airs. And so a couple days ago, Russ hits me up. He's like, yo, I want to send you some Get Better Today merch. So this right here is just a better look at all the shirts that he sent me. Everything's just like super freaking dope. I think this comes in it's like split tee, kind of like half black, half white, but super dope. This one's probably my favorite right here. I think this was from the drop the other week or something. Super excited that he reached out, that he was willing to send me this stuff. Like, I really appreciate it. Really cool guy, and just we're gonna probably rock one of these to the gym today. So we'll see you guys there.
Come on! Get up! There we go!
Alright, so you guys saw that 625 single. It moved pretty well, but I got like a bit too excited on the walk-in, and I like walked it in, and I just like, I don't know what happened. I just tried to slam it into the rack, and I just like completely missed one side of the rack. Luckily I'm not hurt or anything, but that shit was scary, and the bar's kind of bent, so we're gonna have to see if like the bar is chalked or not. If we're gonna have to get a new one, but it is what it is. So we're gonna hit back offs with 475 right now. We have a 3x7.
Show